Hey everybody, this is Tina. I want to share some cards with you today. I want to share the new kit that I just started getting. I was getting the paper pumpkin and I got that for about 2 months, and I decided that I wasn't too happy with it. The patterns and the colors, for me, it just, I was going to give it another shot for 1 more month to see what they came out for Christmas, but I decided to cancel it. And I decided I was going to get the LaLa Land Club of the Month instead. So they have a club where you can get just the stamps, or the club where you can get just the dies, or you can get the club where you get both. Okay, I signed up for just the stamps, and for some reason this month they sent me the whole thing. They sent me the dies too. So I want to share that kit with you, and then I also want to share the cards that I made with you as well. Okay, so this is what you get. So you got the LaLa Land Marcy, you got her, and then you got these cute, adorable, fun bunnies. They're having a ball. This one's rolling the snowball. This one's making a snowman. This one here's ice skating, and there's sentiments. And then down here, this is what you got for dies. So that was the November's kit. Okay, I think it's November. No, this was October's. This was October's kit. We haven't gotten November's yet. Okay, and so this is the size of the stamps. Now, you guys, the stamps are huge. I love LaLa Land. They always come really big, and as I've said before, that if you're a beginner as far as Copic coloring, when I was learning how to do certain things, and even still, I learned how to color every day. You know, every day I learn a new trick. Every day I try something different with my Copics. But when you're starting out, the big images are awesome because you have more room to practice. And so this is a lot of the LaLa Land is what I practice on. So they're really good size. So you get Marcy here, and then you get 2 sentiments. And her sentiments read, "Your friendship warms my heart," and "Happy Snow Day." Okay? And then here's the bunnies, the 3 bunnies, and they're playing with the snow like I showed you in the picture. And the sentiments for them are, "You are snow amazing. There is snow bunny like you, and winter fun." So those are the sentiments you get with that. And then here were the dies, you guys. Like I said, I signed up just for the stamps. For some reason, they sent the dies along this month. So, yeah, this is what it looks like, the dies. You get this really pretty window. You got the Christmas trees. And you got the sleigh. Whoops. And that's a really cute sleigh, and it's a good size. So if I wanted to use that on other cards, I can do that as well. So those were the dies that came with that kit. And now let me share with you what I created. I did 3 cards with this kit. And it's so much fun. I can do so many more things with this kit, but I'll just share with you what I did. So here's the first card. I colored Marcy up with Copics. I used the blues for her jacket and her socks. And then I used a little bit of the sea colors, which are the cool grays. And I did her shoes and the mittens. And then what I did for her hat, her skirt, and the top of her, the bottom of her gloves, was I took my gray and the blue Copic markers, and I put little tiny dots. I just dotted this all around, and it gave it that little look. Even her collar, it gave it like a speckled look. And I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to bring it in close. Maybe you can see the dots. So she's really, really pretty. I love the way she came out. And then I used some of my Christmas paper in the background, the light blue. Then I had these dies out that I shared with you guys yesterday when I did my Make It Monday, or this morning actually. I have these snowflake dies, And so I cut some of those out and I put them all around the card. So the big one's back here. There's one, this one down here, and that one. And I used a glitter tape along the bottom in silver. And then I did my layers with another stamp set, die set that I think I put that one away. That was Spellbinders, that die set that created this background here. And so I did it in this pattern, and then I did a white one, and I put blue on the edges of the white one, and then I popped Marcy up. So that's the first card that I did, and here's the inside. And I used one of my little ephemera pieces that I got from Tuesday Morning recently. I've used that inside. Okay, so that's the first card that I did with that kit. And then here's the second card. And this is where I used the bunnies. And I also used the dies, the trees in the background. So I distressed the background with distress oxides. And then I dotted the distress oxide after the fact with my white Jelly Roll pen. And I use these Jelly Roll pens. So I used that to put in some little tiny snowflakes. And then I added these sticker snowflakes that I had. These are all on stickers, and they come with the little gems in the middle. So I added them along the top. And the Merry Christmas is a Lawn Fawn die. It's one of their line dies. And then I put red dots all over the white trees because I wanted them to look like they had Christmas bulbs on them. And then here are the 3 bunnies, and this one here is popped up. So I'll bring it in closer. You guys can get a really good look at it. It's a super cute card. I love how the bunnies are playing in the snow. And then there's the inside, and there's another sticky snowflake. So that was so much fun to create that card. Okay, so I did that with that kit. And then this is the last card that I made with the kit so far. And here's Marcy again, and this time she's colored in pinks. Well, I actually used the R's, the R colors in Copics. And I colored her up with the jacket. I did the whole dotting thing that I did in the last one, only on her collar, the top of her mittens, and the ball on her hat. Those are the only 3 things I did the dotting with. But I did her in those in the R colors, and then I used my I think that was warm gray. Those were the W's. And I colored her skirt and her shoes. And I did put a little bit on the tassels of her hat. And then here's this cute little bunny playing with the snowball. I added him to the card. And then this die cut at the top, this icicles. This is actually, oh my gosh, I'm trying to think what that is, where it came from. I know, it's diamond dies, that's it. Diamond dies, see? I have this here, and it's the top one, the icicles. So I cut that out 3 times and layered it on the top. So you have icicles falling down. You got this pink snowflake paper in the background, pink and white. And then this glittery paper I cut out with my cross stitch rectangles. And that paper actually came from this, I got this last year from Michael's. It's Recollections, and it has these different colored glitters. So that's where the white paper came from. And it is really, really glittery. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is. And then the Merry Christmas at the bottom was just a random loose woodblock stamp that I have. It's this one here, Craft Smart. I probably got it at Michael's. So that's the Merry Christmas. I did that there. And the banner was from a Spellbinders set, which is this one here. You see I have the banners up here, these long ones. That's what I used to do the banner for the Merry Christmas. I love this card. I love the color. It just came out so pretty. Oh, and these little pieces right here, you guys, these little snowflakes, these were in my winnings from Carlisa's Crafty Corner. I just did a video sharing the winnings that I got, and she had gifted me some ephemera pieces and acrylics. These are the acrylic snowflakes that I got in my Happy Mail from her, in my winnings package. So I put those to good use as big snowflakes falling down. Really, really cute. I love this so much, you guys. And then here's the inside. I just repeated the icicles and the pink paper and then the black star paper. That's what's on the back of here. I don't know if you can see the little star sticking out. But the background paper is has these little stars on it. And then cross stitch rectangle for the mat. And then that sentiment. Now, let me see, you guys. I'm not sure I remember where that sentiment came from. I think it came out of a Stampin' Up set. Yeah, it did. It says, may your season be peaceful, your year be bright. Your new year be bright. So that's what the inside is. Okay, so I wanted to share those cards with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe. And come back and check out the LaLa Land kit that I get next month. So I think that I'll be more happier with the LaLa Land kit rather than the paper pumpkin. It's just the paper pumpkin just wasn't for me. I had fun with it the first 2 months. Well, not even the first 2. Actually, it was 3 months because I had gotten the first kit and I did cards with it. The second kit I got was Halloween, was October. I didn't even touch that kit. And then the third kit was that one we got last month, and it had those all funky colors. It had feathers in it, feather die cuts. And so anyway, I sold those to the Halloween and the feather kit. I sold those and passed them on to someone else in a D-stash that would enjoy those kits. For me, it just wasn't my style. Nothing wrong with the kit. The kit is really good for the money. It's just, it wasn't my style. So I'm going to try this LaLa Land, and I think I will enjoy this much better. Getting these big stamps every month. And I think it's only $24. I think it's $24. Yeah, $24 for the stamps, just the stamps alone. I don't know what it costs to get the whole kit and caboodle, but if you are interested, I'll leave the link to LaLa Land down below, and you can go check out their club things over there on their channel. All right? Or on their website, I should say. Okay, you guys, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.